Now, just a comment here about competing products that basically form or provide the same function of quick disconnect for a hose and how it works versus how the RAS coupler works. The two-part quick disconnects are just that. It is made in two parts. And to make the connection, you need to disconnect it. You slide this back and you can pull this out. This goes on to the male end of the hose into here, or the faucet. This other end goes into the female end of the hose. Once you've done that, this is your hose, this is your faucet. You can now connect the two together quickly. And normally, there you go, it connects together. Some of the downside of this device versus the RAS device is if you look through the device, you can see that the hole of that device versus the RAS device, it has about 4 times, the RAS device has about 4 times the area. So it does not restrict flow. Also, because you have a lot of pieces in here, in the other device, when you get them apart, they can fairly easily become contaminated. Much more difficult to do that in the RAS device. You literally can take this and put it in the mud, hose it off, and it will still work. It's almost impossible to make it not work. Plus the fact it's a single part. You don't need 2 pieces. The problem with this device is once you use it on your hose, all hoses that are going to connect to that faucet that's got the other piece on it must have one of these connectors, whereas the RAS device works with the standard threads that are already on your hose. No other devices are required. Plus the fact this device, the RAS coupler, is made from glass-filled engineering plastics. It is almost indestructible.